So let's talk about bookmark. Bookmark is a placeholder on the internet. You bookmarking a website page, also known as the URL. Bookmark is very helpful when you use the computer a lot. It's like a reference guide that is customized to your tastes and organization. A bookmark optimize your workflow by keeping you organized. You can have different categories for work, personal use, research, or stuff that is related to your field. In my case, I had a lot of cloud bookmark. It's very ideal to have because it helps you keep yourself organized. There's a three-way I will show you how to bookmark a page. You press Control D. As you can see, it pre-filled for you. Put it in my folder called AWS Cloud Fundamental. It's book there. Let's go to Apple website. Another way is to click on the star. But since I already did it, I'm gonna add bookmark. Glue. Now, when you want to bookmark a page, bookmark this tab, click add bookmark, and move to the Apple product page. That's the second way you want to be able to do it. Now, I hate to say this, I've been doing this way for the longest time because I didn't know old school way, if you will. If you click on bookmark, bookmark this tab, and I'm gonna put it in my cloud backup folder and click done. So that's why you want to be able to bookmark. It's a review. Bookmark is a placeholder of your URL that is put in the specific folder. It helps you open time your workflows to be easier for you to find it. You can prepare for a class, lecture, presentation, or research by organizing what you found on the internet. And presenting three-way. Remember, Control D is one way. Clicking the star if you're in Chromebook. And the old school way, which I'm gonna be using anymore. So that's how you use Chrome to your advantage. Thank you for your time.